A new Sephora Favorites kit is available now on Kohl's, the Holiday Lip Kit. The set includes 9 lip products you need this festive season. It does cost $54. It has a $146 value. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit will include a Charlotte Tilbury matte lipstick in shade Pillow Talk, 0.03 ounces, Clinique Almost lipstick in shade Black Honey, 0.04 ounces, Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in shade Champ Stamp, 0.07 ounces, Huda Beauty Lip Contour in shade Warm Brown, 0.01 ounce, Lawless Baguette the Filler Plumper in shade Rosy Outlook, 0.05 ounces. Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow in shade Rose Glow, 0.08 ounces. Rare Beauty Matte Lipstick in shade Fun, 0.12 ounce. Sephora Collection Lip Liner in shade Rosewood, 0.0176 ounces. Tarte Makuja Juicy Lip Balm in shade Primrose, 0.095 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.